Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to get girls only on OmeTV. So as you know, the algorithm hasn't completely changed because if you just go and select here male, right, your gender, then definitely 70% there's a less chances that you will interact with a female character. I mean, so not a character, sorry, female person here. So how you can get a female person? So you have to just go and select here couple, or just go and select your female. Now if you select couple here, there are 65 or 70 or 80% chances that you will get a female, right? And if you're female, then there are more chances you will get a more female here, as well as there is a more chances you will get a male. So if you get onto the site safe, then just go and select your couple. Now country is very important, right? Because if you just go and select here some Pakistan country, right, a majority of their male, right, and they will just doing some weird kind of signs here. So you have to just go and select a normal country with this humongous female, right? So here, let's say I just want to go and select here Russia. So here this is now there's a more chances of getting a female here, right? So this is how you can do it, but of course there's a language barriers. I hope you know the language and you can select language. It's completely up to you, right? So make sure you do this kind of changes and experiment with yourself and you will get it. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.